Trong bài viết này, chúng ta cùng đi giải chi tiết đề dự đoán IELTS chủ đề về giáo dục cấp trung học, dự đoán cho quý 3 năm 2023. Đề bài: ở một số quốc gia, các trường trung học dạy chương trình giáo dục phổ thông gồm nhiều môn học. Ở những nơi khác, trẻ em tập trung học một số ít hơn các môn học liên quan đến một nghề nghiệp cụ thể. Hệ thống nào phù hợp trong thời đại ngày nay? Hãy cùng đi vào các bước giải đề chi tiết như sau. Phân tích đề, tìm ý, lập dàn ý chi tiết, bài viết tham khảo, phân tích bài viết. Trong phần phân tích đề, hãy xác định 3 yếu tố sau: chủ đề của bài, câu hỏi cụ thể và đối tượng của bài viết. Trước khi đi vào phần sau, chúng ta cùng tham khảo các cách diễn đạt đồng nghĩa với các cụm từ khóa trong bài. Hãy tham khảo kỹ phần này trước khi đến với phần dàn ý chi tiết ở sau nhé. Với đề bài IELTS này, mình sẽ trình bày 2 dàn ý chi tiết theo 2 hướng triển khai và đưa ra bài luận mẫu để các bạn tham khảo. Hướng thứ nhất, chúng ta sẽ ủng hộ việc dạy nhiều môn với dàn ý chi tiết như sau.
Introduction. Background. Different countries have varying approaches to education. Some emphasize a broad range of subjects, while others focus on specific careers. Thesis. It is better for secondary schools to provide a general education across subjects. Body paragraph 1. Benefits of a general education. Topic sentence. A general education equips students with valuable knowledge and skills. Reason. Promotes critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Result 1. Provides flexibility for career exploration and adaptation. Result 2. Better equips individuals for the uncertainties of the future. Example. Students had exposure to both sciences and humanities in high school, gained knowledge from both fields. Body paragraph 2. Drawbacks of a narrow-focused education. Topic sentence. A narrow-focused education limits potential and adaptability. Reason. Restricts versatility and ability to adapt to the job market. Drawback. Difficulties in transitioning to different fields. Comparison. Limited perspectives and struggle with complex problems. Example. Struggles in communication and cultural understanding. Counterargument. Specialized skills may become outdated. Conclusion. Restate thesis. Secondary schools should provide a general education. Summarize main points. General education fosters critical thinking, creativity, adaptability, and foundation for further studies, while narrow-focused education limits potential and adaptability.
Mình có đăng một số bài tập từ vựng và lập luận để các bạn luyện tập trước khi viết bài. Sau đó bạn hãy dựa theo dàn ý chi tiết này và dành 30 phút để viết hoàn chỉnh bài theo dàn ý này nhé. Sau đó, hãy so sánh bài viết với bài luận mẫu dưới đây.
In today's world, secondary schools worldwide adopt different approaches to education, with some prioritizing a wide array of subjects, while others concentrate on specific careers. However, it is more advantageous for secondary schools to offer a general education encompassing various subjects. A general education in secondary schools offers numerous benefits to students. Firstly, it promotes critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, enabling students to analyze and evaluate information from various perspectives. Moreover, a study conducted by the National Education Association found that students who received a general education demonstrated higher levels of creativity and innovation, enhancing their problem-solving skills. 2022. Furthermore, a general education provides flexibility for career exploration and adaptation. By exposing students to a wide range of subjects, they can discover their interests and passions, which can help them make informed decisions about their future career paths. Additionally, a general education equips individuals with a well-rounded skill set and the ability to navigate different situations, enhancing their adaptability and resilience in an ever-changing world. A narrow-focused education, although it may seem advantageous at first, comes with significant drawbacks. Firstly, it limits an individual's potential and adaptability by restricting their versatility and ability to navigate the job market. Those with a narrow-focused education often encounter difficulties when transitioning to different fields, as their specialized knowledge may not translate well. Moreover, a narrow focus results in limited perspectives, making it challenging to tackle complex problems that require interdisciplinary thinking. For instance, a study conducted by Vietnam National Education Institute revealed that 38% of individuals with specialized skills faced difficulties in adapting to new industries and roles. Additionally, statistics show that the demand for specialized roles fluctuates, and such skills can quickly become outdated in a rapidly evolving job market. Therefore, a general education that fosters adaptability and a broad knowledge base proves more beneficial in the long run. In conclusion, it is clear that secondary schools should prioritize providing a general education. This type of education fosters critical thinking, creativity, and adaptability, while also serving as a solid foundation for further studies. On the other hand, a narrow-focused education restricts potential and adaptability, limiting opportunities for growth and success.
Chúng ta xem lại bài viết hoàn chỉnh cho hướng triển khai này. Hãy chú ý tới các câu in đậm, thể hiện luận điểm chính của bài. Trong phần sau, chúng ta sẽ đi phân tích đề này theo hướng ngược lại, ủng hộ dạy ít môn tập trung vào nghề nghiệp cụ thể.
Introduction. Background. Different countries have varying approaches to education, with some emphasizing a broad-based curriculum and others focusing on career-specific subjects. State the writer's opinion. It's better for secondary schools to focus on a narrow range of subjects related to a particular career. Body paragraph 1. Benefits of a narrow focus on career-related subjects. Topic sentence. Focusing on a narrow range of subjects related to a particular career has benefits. Reason. Increased specialization provides in-depth knowledge and skills for a specific career. Explanation. Focused curriculum equips students with specialized skills. Explanation. Partnerships with industry experts offer insights and networking opportunities. Example. Medical-focused schools provide a foundation in anatomy, physiology, and medical procedures for future medical studies. Body paragraph 2. Drawbacks of a general education approach. Topic sentence. General education approach has limitations in preparing students for today's world. Reason 1. General education approach may not equip students with specialized skills demanded by employers. Example. Employers often seek candidates with specific technical skills rather than a broad knowledge base. Reason 2. Inclusion of unrelated subjects. Example. Students may struggle to see the value of learning historical dates or complex mathematical equations if they do not apply to their chosen field. Result. Reduced relevance diminishes students' motivation and engagement. Conclusion. Recap of benefits of specialized education approach and drawbacks of a general education approach. Restate. Emphasis on the need for a more specialized and personalized education system.
Các bạn làm bài tập từ vựng và lập luận cho bài viết này trên website, sau đó đọc kỹ dàn ý chi tiết cho hướng triển khai này. Và dành 30 phút để viết bài IELTS hoàn chỉnh và tham khảo bài viết mẫu dưới đây.
In today's world, secondary schools worldwide have varying approaches to education. While some prioritize a broad-based curriculum, others focus on career-specific subjects. In my opinion, it is more suitable for secondary schools to concentrate on career-specific subjects. Focusing on a narrow range of career-related subjects provides multiple benefits. Firstly, it allows for increased specialization, equipping students with in-depth knowledge and skills crucial for their chosen profession. According to a study conducted by the Association for Career and Technical Education, students who pursued focused career-related subjects experienced higher job placement rates, with 85% finding employment directly related to their field of study. Additionally, a focused curriculum often facilitates valuable partnerships with industry experts, enabling students to gain insights into real-world practices and access networking opportunities. Engaging with professionals in their field enhances students' understanding of industry trends, helps them establish connections, and potentially leads to internships or job opportunities, thereby significantly improving their career prospects. On the contrary, a general education approach has drawbacks in preparing students for today's world. Firstly, it may fail to equip students with the specialized skills that employers increasingly value. Many industries prioritize candidates with specific technical proficiencies over a broad knowledge base. Consequently, a general education lacking targeted training in essential areas may leave students ill-prepared for the job market. Furthermore, including unrelated subjects in a general curriculum diminishes its relevance, dampening students' motivation and engagement. When students cannot see the practical application of their learning, such as memorizing historical dates or solving unrelated mathematical equations, their enthusiasm and commitment wane. A more focused approach ensures consistent engagement and immediate perception of the value and applicability of education. In conclusion, prioritizing career-related subjects over a broad-based education is crucial. Specialized education offers in-depth knowledge, specialized skills, and valuable industry partnerships. A personalized and career-oriented system equips students with the necessary skills for success in their chosen fields in today's dynamic world.
Các bạn hãy xem lại một lượt toàn bộ bài viết và chú ý các câu chủ đề và luận điểm được in đậm. Hy vọng với phần giải chi tiết với hai bài viết mẫu này đã giúp bạn hiểu rõ cách làm dạng đề đánh giá quan điểm. Các bạn hãy ủng hộ mình bằng một lượt thích và đăng ký kênh để cập nhật những đề dự đoán IELTS 2023 mới nhất cho đợt thi IELTS sắp tới nhé. Xin cảm ơn.